Hello Python enthusiast, welcome back to Mastering RegEx in Python. This is the 5th episode in the series and today we are tackling yet another fundamental pattern, \D. So let's unravel this. In regular expression, \D matches any digit from 0 to 9 and it is an incredibly useful pattern when you're working with numerical data within text. So let's not waste any more time and dive right into some code. So first of all, we're going to import the regEx regular expression module. Then let us define a regEx pattern to match any digits. So as you can see, \D plus dot \D plus, this basically means it matches one or more digits, which is the \D plus part, followed by a dot, followed by one or more digits, effectively extracting, say, a price of an object from a string. So let's now go ahead and define a sample string to use for the pattern matching, and let's just say the item cost $25.99. Now ideally what this should do is it should extract the cost for the product for us from this particular string. Let's go ahead and search and write a search text and now our print text, and let's run this to see what happens. As you can see, we get the output 25.99, which is the numerical values extracted from this particular string. I encourage you to play around with the \D pattern, try extracting phone numbers, dates or other numerical data from different strings. Experimenting with real world examples will help you understand and master these patterns. And that wraps up our lesson on \D patterns in Python's regular expression. Thank you for joining us today and we hope to see you again in our next episode. Until then, keep practicing and happy coding. Once again, a really quick message from my side. I am aware that I haven't uploaded a video in a very long time, but this year I aim to upload a video every single week. That is one of my resolutions for the year, which would make at least 52 videos throughout the year, helping you guys learn new concepts in coding and making DIY projects and so on. If you have any ideas or any suggestions for what type of content you want to see, drop down in the comments and I do read all of your comments, so I'll most likely build upon that.